Hello, and welcome back to the Product Academy. My name is Javier Roldán. I am experimentation lead in Adevint Spain, and also I am the content owner of the experimentation module in the Product Academy. My goal is to help teams to do good experiments in order to develop our products in the best possible way. We have seen in lesson one why is important experimentation and more specifically A/B testing in product development. Today, we are going to talk about the scientific method. I will explain its phases, and we will see how scientific method is part of the product development phase process. Before getting into the scientific method, I would like to reflect on the learning process that we all have as children. The way we learn when we are children have many similarities to experimentation in software development. When we are children, we learn by trial and error. We are constantly experimenting. Error is an indivisible part of learning. And in the same way that children must be encouraged to continue trying when they make mistakes, we must, we must see the process of experimentation in product development in the same way. In industry, research through trial and error has been done for a long time. Drivers of innovation, as Charles Kettering knew, there is no learning, there is no innovation without failure. So let's see the phases of the scientific method. Observation, it consists of collecting and documenting a problem or opportunity with data and facts in a way that we can think of a solution. Hypothesis, the formulation of our hypothesis, which is nothing more than the answer that we, with the information we have compiled, we give to the problem we have. We will go into more detail on the hypothesis in later lessons. Experimentation. It is in this phase that we will design and perform our experiment so that we can validate or reject our hypothesis. Hypothesis validation and rejection. With all the results that we have been obtained from the experimentation, we will decide if our hypothesis is true or if it's necessary to look for another hypothesis. And the last phase, conclusions. A successful experiment has to allow us to make decisions. This is what makes the scientific method so powerful. Let's see how experimentation is present in the entire process of product development. Since we identify an opportunity or need and we need to validate it at the lowest possible cost. At the moment we launch a first solution to our users or clients, and when we are working on optimizing our existing product solutions. As we already saw in the Product Academy on Product Discovery course, the type of experiment we should use depends a lot on the product phase we are in. But in all cases, the scientific method is present. Let's go through some examples. If we are in an initial product phase in which our objective is to validate a concept, an idea, or the existence of a need, probably we will run a smoke test or a wizard of Oz test. But if we have learned enough to design a first solution for our business, we will surely make an MVP, a minimum viable product, and pivot on that MVP to add more functionality. When we have an existing product and our goal is to optimize it, the best experiment we can use is A/B testing. Okay, so let's summarize what we have learned today. We have learned about trial and error. We have also learned about the scientific method and how the process of development product is connected with the scientific method. See you in next lesson, which is going to be hypothesis. Thank you and see you